Hi, it's Amanda, the Nail Polish Hound, and welcome to another Topic Tuesday. And this week we are talking about our favourite cuticle oils and creams. And over the years I have tried out quite a few of both of these, and I've spent a reasonable amount of money on them too. And after a lot of trying out, these are the two favourites that I have settled on. So my favourite cuticle oil is one that I make up using jojoba oil and vitamin E, and these are the two that are my favourites for doing this. The jojoba oil needs to be 100% and cold pressed to get the best absorption into the skin. And I mix this with a vitamin E skincare gel, and I have tried it with vitamin E oil as well, but again I found that it doesn't quite absorb into the skin as well. So this method comes from a video by Christine, Simply Nailogical, and I will put a link to that video in the description bar below. I bought a few of these mini nail polish bottles, and I also have some of the cuticle pens, and I put this mix into both of those. I start off by filling the bottle about 3/4 full with the jojoba oil. And then I fill the rest up with the vitamin E cream. This can be a little bit difficult to get in through the neck of the bottle, so you have to tap it down quite a lot to make sure that it actually drops in. Sometimes I find I have to put the brush into it as well, just to get some of the air back out. When the bottle is full, give it a good shake and you're done. I do use this cuticle oil whenever I'm taking off nail polish, and as a little bonus I will show you how I do this at the end of this video. But before we do that, I need to tell you about my favourite cuticle cream. And this one is a mix of these two items, and this was an idea that I got from Tina of Moon Baby Nails, and again I will put a link to her video in the description box below. So it is a mix of the J.R. Watkins Shea Butter Cream and also the Eucerin Aquaphor. I mix these two together in a little pot, about 2 parts of the Shea Butter hand cream to 1 part of the Eucerin Aquaphor. And I have these little pots just about everywhere, one on my desk at work, one in my handbag, one next to the bed, and I find this really does help with the dry skin around my nails. So I was about to take the mani that I'm wearing off anyway, so I thought I would show you the process that I use to remove it. I do use Zoya's Remove, and I place some of the cuticle oil around my nails before I put the nail polish remover on the pads and over them, and I think this helps stop them from drying out too much. As you can see, I have pre-cut up some makeup remover pads, that way you don't waste too many, and I soak each one of these bits of pad in the Zoya Remove and then put it over my nails using the nail clips. I find that these hold everything in place nicely whilst the nail polish remover does its job. This manicure that I'm wearing does have a little bit of holographic glitter on it, and one of the polishes, the accent nail, is quite glittery as well. Not too thick glitters, so they wouldn't be too hard to remove, but I find this particular method stops you from getting nail polish all around your cuticles, and if you're scrubbing at the nail polish, that tends to happen in my experience. So once that's all done, I tend to leave them just a couple of minutes and then I find that the nail polish is very easy to remove. I honestly don't think that this method takes me any longer because the nail polish comes off so easily when you do remove it. You might find that you do have the odd little bit just down the side wall, but other than that I find this method gets the nail polish off really easily and cleanly. So I left the ring finger till last because this one had the most glitter polish on it, and as you can see it's come off very easily indeed. Thanks for watching, I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope I will see you in the next one.